I'm Steve Cook, here at Kelly Ryan Equipment, DBA KRECO Steel Fabrication. 2014, we installed the saw drill line. I've always been amazed at how fast it produces parts. It boosted our output, 100%. We felt the back-to-back. I mean, it took up much less room. We were limited kind of on space, and we felt that was the best way our best machine to fit in the space that we had. We decided to go with the VB1250 and V630 saw drill line. I love the 630 because you can let it just run and go on and, whether you're loading in-feed up or getting your material ready for the next pieces that are going to go on in-feed, you can do all that while the machine's still running. It'll process, say, a 60-foot piece, do all its cut and drilling, and then it'll backtrack and go back through the saw. To me, your material handling is the best. I mean, that's what makes the machine so good. Everything's automated, from when we load the in-feed up on the saw drill line to where it comes out. I love it. The people that buy machines and think that they're gonna do their own material handling, I think it's a waste of time and money when you can have everything fully automated. How you guys do it is it's amazing to me. I've seen some other material handling, it doesn't even compare. We had purchased the saw drill combo with intentions on future expansion, integrate a coping machine, down the road someday. And we did that just recently with the add-on of the 807. I mean, we're producing 50% more with the same amount of employees. You don't have to sit there and baby it the whole time. You can multitask with that while the thing's running or drilling. You can go on and do other parts of the business that keep you efficient. And, we can put the beams out on in-feed, basically program it and forget about it, and then go down and, you got one operator running both machines. It's all automatic from the in-feed to the run through the drill, layout, drilling, and then bringing the 60-foot beam into the 807. It's all automatic. It's a very nice feature. From going to the saw drill combo, it boosted our production, 100%. We had some recent jobs that we took on that required lots of copes and small members, and it would have slowed us. If we had to do all that manually, there's no way we would have been able to get it done in the time frame that we had. We've added on an 807, and a 310, and having the layout capabilities and all that has increased our throughput by 50% with the same amount of employees. We're able to produce parts much faster than we were previously, and with the Voortman equipment, we feel that's the best on the market. We're excited to see what the Fabricator has to offer when it's complete and ready on the market.